everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys a happy birthday sign that I enjoy making. I just like to celebrate birthdays, and this is something I can put out all year long when we celebrate birthdays, and it's just something for decoration. So what you guys will need is a frame that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now they do have other ones that you can use. You can use a regular picture frame. You can use this. I'm going to end up taking the word dream out. I got these little fringe squawkers is what they're called. I'm going to cut these up and use this as confetti. I got this vinyl that's holographic. This is Joann's. You can pretty much get any color that you want, but I do think the holographic would be kind of cool. Not sure what background I'm going to use. I might even change it later on. I'm going to do everything first before I figure out my background. And then you guys will need some contact paper. I definitely recommend getting contact paper at the Dollar Tree if you can go ahead and do that. And then you can either use a razor or acetone to get the word dream off. So what I'm going to do first is start working on a design on my Cricut Create. Okay, you guys, so what I ended up doing is I wrote happy birthday. The font that I got is Armorillo, and I got it from defont.com. Then what I ended up doing is I made everything bold and I spaced everything together. And then this R had some kind of other weird design to it, and I did not like it, so I ended up slicing it. So then I also do is I measure the glass on that white frame, and I make a little box so I know what it's going to look like. And that's pretty much it. And then I have these, I highlight them, and then I have them all, you know, centered together, and then I also splice stuff if I need to, and have everything just attached. So this is what it's going to say on it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is cut it out. Pretty easy to cut it out. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is you can actually take a straight edge to take this off. I'm going to actually just take the wording off just because it looks like it's backwards on my camera, but it's kind of weird. But we're just going to take this wording off, if I can get the plastic off, and then I just take acetone. I find it a little bit easier, so I clean up the glass with the acetone, and then I take Windex and do it, but you just want to wipe it right off. Sometimes it won't come off, which if it doesn't come off, that's when you take a straight edge. So I have to go find a straight edge to get this off because it's not coming off at all. So let me get a straight edge. Okay guys, so some of them that I have you can use the acetone, and some of them the acetone won't come off. But here we're just taking a regular razor blade and just scraping it right off. Pretty easy. If you do scratch the glass a little bit, it's okay. Most of the words are going to be there. Okay guys, so we have it all cleaned up, ready to go. That stuff does make more of a mess than when I use the regular acetone, but this frame's a little bit older than the ones that I've gotten recently, so this is what my birthday sign is going to look like. The next thing we're going to do is take these fringe squawkers and open them up, and then what I'm actually going to do is just kind of chop them off of the little confetti stuff. So we're just going to go like that. Voila, you got confetti. Voila. I'm going to do one of each color to see what it looks like first. La 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 la. Okay, so let me cut some more out and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I cut them all up. I'll probably change it after I get it all placed up, but I think it looks good for now. Then I decided I'm going to do just a regular black glitter. So what I'm actually going to do is measure this up and then have it the exact size because we're going to glue the outer edge. So that's what I'm going to work on next. Okay guys, so the next thing, I got my glitter sheet cut, so the next thing we're going to do is place this. Now I've learned from my mistakes is I always kind of peel off what I'm going to start with, because I've learned that it won't go as how I want it, so we're just going to peel this off just a little bit. like that, and the eye came off. Okay, so this is how we're gonna kind of just start it, and then I just kind of peel this like that, and then you're gonna kind of figure out your straight line and then the center of it. Kind of make sure you want to have it even. I think we're gonna go right about there. So then I just kind of press down here, and then I hang on to that. I'm probably doing this backwards. So we're going to make sure this is even. Okay, so then I keep moving it. I'm doing this backwards. I usually start from the other end. So what we're gonna just do is this like that. And just start scraping it, and then I'm gonna slowly start peeling it. Actually, I'll peel all of it. And voila. So, I don't know, it looks, it might be even. I don't know. So here is the sign. So the next thing you guys want to do is take your confetti and put it all in. Now you guys could have it any way. There's different confetti, however you guys want to do it. You could cut this up in more pieces. However you want to do it, it doesn't matter. So we're just going to grab the rest of this confetti, and I'm just going to kind of put it all down here. I'm going to see what it looks like with the backing on it first, just because sometimes you could change your mind. So this is what it's going to look like. And so that confetti is kind of too long in my opinion, so I'm actually, sorry about my light, I'm actually going to cut the confetti in half. I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to cut some more. Okay guys, so now I have my hot glue warmed up, and you're just going to take your hot glue and just go through a line like this. I always end up running out of hot glue, but this time I don't. So you want to go fast because this stuff will dry. Make sure none of the confetti is. And if you guys make a mess, it's not a big deal because you can just peel that right off after you put the paper on. So I just don't want to have a lot. Okay, and then just going around one more thing. Okay, so next you're going to just take your paper and have it on as much as you can. You don't want to see any cracks. And it is on. My thing is a little sticky because I have the glue a little off, but that's okay. And we're gonna look at it, you guys, and there we go. There is your confetti happy birthday sign. I think it turned out pretty good. Wanted to have it, you know, just have a birthday sign, so when we have a birthday party, you can't even tell. I don't even know if this is crooked or not. You can't even tell because the confetti makes up for it. So if you guys enjoyed this, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all on the next.